Tinubu wants to dismantle North. Northerners reject bill proposing return of regional system of government in Nigeria. Good day, my people. Welcome once again to the news channel. And this is the headlines for today, as we see that Tinubu wants to dismantle the North. Listen to the headlines. Listen to the news info. Reactions have continued to trail the bill proposing a return to regional government in Nigeria, which is alleged to be before the National Assembly and is expected to pass into law before October 1st, 2024. Part of the draft bill circulating on social media in Nigeria is titled "A Bill for an Act to Substitute the Annexure to Decree 24 of 1999 with a new governance model for the Federal Republic of Nigeria." Although the identities of the sponsors of the bill were yet to be ascertained, the bill, when passed, will be cited as the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria New Governance Model for Nigeria Act 2024. The sponsors of the bill explained that the current Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999, as amended, is not autonomous, as it does not evolve from the deliberations and consensus of the Nigerian people. According to the advocate, the constitution amendment would be subject to a yes or no vote in a referendum by the people of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. The bill partly read Part 1 preliminaries, whereas Nigeria, its peoples and government have been governed under Decree 24 of 1999 that was handed down by the then military government without the express consent of the people, despite the preamble of "We the People." Whereas the said Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999, as amended, is not autonomous, as it does not evolve from the deliberations and consensus of the Nigerian people. Whereas the people of Nigeria now desire and effectively demand for a change to a constitution based on federal or regional system of government. Whereas the federal and regional government are to operate within the provisions of this constitution, it is within the discretion of the ethnic blocs within the state that constitutes a given region to aggregate or disaggregate as provinces, divisions, and districts, while being in control of their affairs without let or hindrance at whatever level of governance. Whereas the 1999 Constitution, as amended, is a schedule of a military decree now deemed to be an act of the National Assembly, for which the National Assembly have the powers to amend and or abrogate as expedient. Advertisements, whereas the National Assembly, where so necessary and expedient, can invoke the doctrine of necessity to resolve any point of law for the good governance of the country, Nigeria. Part 2. Substitution Clause. The drafters propose that the National Assembly shall invoke its inherent powers to encourage to expunge the schedule attached to Decree 24 of 1999, often referred to as 1999 Constitution, as amended from the decree, which is now deemed to be an act of the National Assembly, to which the National Assembly have the powers to so do and replace same with a new governance model for Nigeria, effective not later than October 1st, 2024. Under Part 3, Stipulations for Federal Administrations, the sponsors propose that Nigeria shall be a federation comprising of regional territories and a federal capital territory, and shall be a republic to be known by the name of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Basics of the Federation. Every ethnic, nationality, and people in Nigeria have an unconditional right to self-determination within their designated territories. The sovereignty, powers, and authority to formulate the Articles of Association towards any reform of the federal government of Nigeria at any other time shall lie jointly and severally with all the ethnic nationalities occupying their respective authorities. Amma Ayat, to public analysts and political strategists, wrote, Tinubu did not promise restructuring Nigeria during the campaigns, but the Nadeko spirit in him will definitely tow towards that. An unverified kite of bill about regional government is being flown now. Arewa Twitter wrote, this Yoruba government want to dismantle the North logically. These people know exactly what they are doing. Our northern leaders, elders and youths are hungry people. Those that supported APC, they collected APC spaghetti and Tinubu's money, so they can't say anything. And that is the news for today. Don't forget to like this video, comment under this video and subscribe to this channel to get more news from this channel.